Greetings, I'm Karen Barron Russell of Power Communications Plus, established in 1998 in San Diego, California. I provide career and business development consulting services plus ideas for artists, writers, and performers by creating artistic works and productions. Past projects include Save My Soul from Destruction video, Rhythms television publications, KEPX Radio Magazine, Senior Care Magazine, Shadows Comics, Survival Guide Living for Less, World We Live in Fiji Children's Book, Smart Money News, Creative Now TV, Schoolyard Kids, Doll Party, Emotional Cartoons, Journey to Find Creative People, like ClaudetteLorraine.com. Businesses from 1986 through 2023. Hair braiding and beading in Fiji, desktop publishing and consulting services, business networking TV, affordable telephone connection, networking events and conventions. Current projects include One Drop World, where one drop of talent meets the world. Consulting with creative people to add their art on usable products such as clothing, household products, and more. Connect with me at onedropworld.com. I'm Karen Barron, host of Creative Now TV.